Hey everyone, this is Enza from enzasbargains.com, and today I am doing a video of an entire ginormous swag box that I got in the mail today. And the swag box is because I attended for I don't know how many years in a row a virtual conference for the Sweet Suite. It is the Toy Insider virtual conference, and it had tons of toy brands. And today I'm going to open up, can't even lift the box, it's right next to me. I'm going to show you guys what was in that box. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoy, and like always, don't forget to leave me a comment, a like, and don't forget to subscribe up top. So thank you guys. Here we go. Okay guys, the first item that I have in my box is a game called Exploding Minions. Look at the eyes. And it says it's a card game for people who are into bananas and explosion, ages 7 and up, and looks like a lot of fun, and my family loves game nights, so I'm excited to give this game a try. Okay, next up I have this little bag, and it says Cats versus Pickles. I thought it said pockets. And it is taped shut, so let's see what I have in here. Looks like I have several goodies. So I have a surprise plush. Ooh, it feels like beads. And another one. I think these are the ones that feel like beads. My kids were talking about these. And another one. So I'll have to do these blind bags probably on TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, it is also at Enza's Bargains. So make sure you guys give me a follow there if you guys are there. Okay, next up is Snap Ships Build to Battle. And it looks like it's kind of like a build your own set, great for STEM. And we love building things, so this should be a lot of fun. Okay, next up in the swag box that I got is, oh, love it, love it, a new Disney Doorables. Which series are we on now? Series 6. So this is a find and reveal, 5, 6, and 7, and I do open these up, and I think I have several rare ones in the past, but we love Disney's Doorables, and I hope I get something really rare, and maybe I will do an unboxing for you guys on that too. So next up, oh my gosh, what is this? Nice to meet you, Vibe Girls. Share good vibes. Dream big, be kind, be you, be confident, strong, and true. Be the light. What is in this box? Let's find out. Oh man, I'll pause this video because you guys do not want to watch me struggling with opening up a box. So, oh, it's from Jay at Play. Oh, it's Vibe Girls. I don't think we have any of these. Oh my goodness. Some postcards, some marketing material in here. And, ooh, she's cute. Look at this stylish girl over here. So, let's see. She comes with glasses, cat headband, a toy, a bag, a Vibe ring, 50 plus Vibe stickers, and includes a Vibe diary. So very cute. Looks like it is motivated to inspire girls, which of course I like. Girl mom over here. Okay, let's see what else I got. Oh my goodness, I'm not even halfway through. Okay, oh, Pixiecade mobile game maker from Bit Genius. I am not going to open this up here, but if this doesn't scream STEM, I don't know what does. So a mobile game maker, I'm hoping, I don't know, I'll have to look it up. I'm not sure what this is, to be honest with you, but I'm kind of hoping it is to create a mobile app, which would be so cool for my kids. So, okay, let's see what else we have. Aw, Sunshine. Care Bear over here. Oh, Funshine. I misspoke. And oh, I have several of these that I've collected in different sizes, so I like him. I think I'll keep him. Okay, what else do we have? What else? Oh yes, another 1,000-piece puzzle. Puzzles have gotten us through the pandemic, so We always love them. You guys, there's some big stuff coming up. Okay, this is a marketing. It's a disco ball for a giveaway. There's some more marketing. And what is this? Ooh, there's things falling out of it. Oh my gosh. Let's take those out. Look at her, Lalaloopsy. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness, she comes with a hairbrush. Look at the hair. It's like little twirls. And oh my goodness, she's adorable. Is that like a little ice cream cone cat and scoops? So, so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see what else. I'm like, what is this? Whoa. Oh, something's in here. Okay, let's go with this first. A color changing surprise. LOL surprise. We have lots of these. And what is this? Resoftables. Look at this unicorn. Oh my goodness. His name is Sparkles the Unicorn. And he is recycled with like over 10 plastic water bottles. But he is super soft and gorgeous. Every year the world produces over 275 million tons. That's not how you spell it, of plastic waste. So I can't read. Now more than ever, it's important to recycle plastic and use recycled plastics where possible. Resoftables are super soft toys using 100% household plastic waste. Each resoftable toy is made from approximately 11 recycled plastic bottles. You guys, it is so soft. There's no way this is made out of plastic bottles. It's so cute, so cute. Okay. I'm gonna have to close the door of my office. Okay, what else did we get? Okay. Beat That Bonkers Battle of Wacky Challenges, another game. And they almost look like a bunch of like minute to win it type games, it looks like. So the Bonkers Battle of Wacky Challenges. So a bunch of challenges that you have to try. This looks like a lot of fun. Can't wait to try it. Okay. Mini Brands Series 3. Unbox them all. And I think this one is the grocery store one. I'm not sure. And here's another one. Oh, and here's a mini toys one. So we like them all. We have a whole like Ziploc bag of all of our mini toys that we've gotten. So we love them. Oh my goodness. Fortnite. Super Soaker. Can't go wrong with Nerf. There's a new place that opened up around my house that I just saw someone post about, and it's like a bunch of Nerf challenges. You take your whole family and it's like Nerf war over there. I'm trying to get to the bottom of the box, so let me put some stuff over here on my desk. I have to pause the video here. Oh, hi guys. And okay. Okay guys, let's see what else I got. Oh, I got a little Pop-It toy, a little dimp for you from Fat Brain Toy. And it looks like it's a keychain, great on the backpack. And we love any types of fidgets. So we got, we got a Harry Potter Series 1 from Wizarding World Domes. I cannot wait to see what's in it. I will open this one up really soon. And I have not owned one of these. I have a lot of blind packs, but I have not owned one of these before. So there you go. Okay, let's see what else I got. What is this? Oh, I got the Pokemon trading card game, and I have not had the opportunity to play this. It comes with a 60 card deck, 3 reference cards, a rule book, and let's see, I'm excited to play this, and you can play online. So with the last name like Ketchum, I should have at least played this game, right? And it looks like I have another one. What? Oh my goodness. Another trading card game right over here. 2 Pokemon trading card games. So if you play, let me know what I should be looking for when I'm playing these games. I have a few stacks of cards, and I don't think I have anything that's super rare, but I do try to look them up because I like to collect. Okay, and then I got only at Walmart Galaxy Explorers, includes putty, sticker, micro figure, minifigure, and let's get it out of the bag. Look how cute this is. From Ryan's World. So, no toys from Enzo's Bargains, but from Ryan's World. Here's a toy right here. Looks like I got another blind pack from Snapsies. Snapsies are a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys know this, but Funko owns Snapsies. So you can go and take apart all of the little toys and collect them. And they're like collectibles, but for younger age. So like not quite into Funkos yet, but like the idea of collecting. These are really cute. And they're like their own branded things, and you can like snap them and put them together. And it has a little stand that comes with it. So this is Snapsies, and Funko Loungefly are some of my favorite brands. So I'm excited to own my first Snapsies over here. I think you can find them at GameStop. I think I've seen them once or twice. And I think that's about it, except last but not least, I got something from Crayola. I got erasable, twistable colored pencils. So you guys know I love art. So that's all my stuff. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you think, what you've tried, and what you want to try. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and like I said before, if there's anything you think I should open up from Sweet Sweet, let me know, and I will try to do an unboxing video and give you guys something a little bit more detailed in the future. So thanks for watching.